12th standard maths, exercise 1.1. Just we'll recall what you have learnt in 12th. You have studied adjoint of A. It is written as adj A. You can read it as adj A or adjoint of A, both the same. Adjoint of A definition is cofactor of A transpose, Aij transpose. Aij means cofactor of A. What is cofactor? So this is cofactor of A transpose. It's called adjoint of A. Cofactor of A is called signed minor. Signed minor means sign is plus or minus. So when you will get plus, so that we have a formula to find it, that minus 1 power I plus j mij. This is I denotes the row, j denotes the column. So minus 1 power I plus j, either it will be even or odd. If it is even, I plus j is even, minus 1 will become plus 1. I plus j is odd, minus 1 will become minus 1. So we have to change the sign of minor. For some it will be same, for some other it will be change the sign. So find the cofactor, take the transpose, that will give adjoint of A. So here 5 or 6 sums we'll see for 2 by 2 matrix. Let us take an example. Capital A equal to 1, 5, 2 minus 3. One more thing. Adjoint can be found out only for square matrix. Only for square matrix we can find adjoint. We can find adjoint only for square matrix. Okay. Find adjoint of A. Just let us take an example. General form. Capital A equal to, here we have 2 rows and 2 columns. First element is element in the first row and first column. It is A11. Second, this is first row, second column. It is denoted as A12. This is A21 and this is A22. Adjoint of A is cofactor transpose. To find cofactor we need minor. What is a minor for the element of capital A? For the first element, I have to leave where A11 belongs. To find the minor of A1, leave A11 row and leave A11 column. The remaining element A22 is the minor of A11. For A12, leave the row where A12 belongs, leave the column where A12 belongs. Remaining elements is A21. So minor of A12 is A21. Minor of A2, very simple. Minor of A21, leave the row, leave the column, it is A12. Minor of A22, leave the row, leave the column, it is A11. So we have found out the minor. But what actually we need? We need a cofactor. What is the definition of cofactor? Cofactor of A is minus 1 power I plus j into minor. First this element A11. Row is 1, column is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 is an even number. Minus 1 power 2 means take the minor as it is, so A22 is the answer. Check one more time. First number A11, its row is first row, column is first column. So I denotes the row, j denotes the column. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 is even number. Minus 1 power even number is plus 1. Plus 1 means take the minor as it is. So A22 and A22, minor and cofactor are same. A12. Row is 1, column is 2, add 1 plus 2, it is 3. 3 is odd number, minus 1 power 3 is minus 1. So meaning for minor, you change the sign. What is A21 is the minor, you change the sign, it is minus A21. For third element, 2 plus 1, second row, first column, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is odd number, minus 1 power 3, answer is minus. So for minor, I have to change the sign, that will become cofactor. So minor, I have to change the sign, it will become cofactor. A22, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is a even number, minus 1 power 4, it is plus. So minor and cofactor are same. Minor is A11, so cofactor is also A11. So this is cofactor of A. Adjoint of A means cofactor A transpose. What is the meaning of transpose? Row becomes column, column becomes row. So A22 minus A12 will become the first row. Minus A21, A11 will become the second row. So this is adjoint of A for the given A. See, this is A. Adjoint of A is this. Now we'll see, we'll compare the answers. Instead of doing so many steps, we'll see. A first diagonal is A11, A22. So what happens to the adjoint? A22 has come as the first element, A11 has come as the second element. So what is the meaning? Interchange. Interchange first diagonal. Now we'll see what happened to the second diagonal. A12, A21 is the second diagonal. So it is, what happened? It is A12, A21, sign has been changed. A12 is here but minus sign. A21, it is minus sign. So answer is, for second diagonal, I have to change the sign. Change the sign. So first diagonal interchange, second diagonal only change the diagonal, you will get adjoint of A. So if they give, find adjoint of A, capital A is 152 minus 3, you write the formula, adjoint of A is cofactor transpose, then write the answer straight away. So what I have to do? I have to interchange the element in the first row. Minus 3, 1. Second diagonal, I have to change only the sign, not the numbers. 5 will become minus 5, 2 will become minus 2. So this is adjoint. So remember, for 2 by 2 matrix, if they ask you to find adjoint, you write the formula and write the answer straight away. So note, in short, to find the adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix, interchange the first diagonal element, change only the sign of the second diagonal element. Very simple, easily you can do. Just shall we take one more example? A equal to 3 minus 1, 5 and minus 2. Find adjoint of A. What I have to do? I have to interchange the first diagonal. So minus 2 will come here, 3 will go there. Second diagonal, I have to change only the sign. So this is adjoint of A. So easily you can write, but you always write the definition. Adjoint of A is cofactor transpose. Write the definition, then write the answer. Now we go for the next few examples, few sums. Now you have learnt all the properties and theorems. Now we'll recall. A inverse meaning inverse of a matrix is 1 by determinant of A, adjoint of A. So what is that? This cannot become 0. If this becomes 0, 1 by 0 is infinity. So A inverse exists only when determinant of A is not equal to 0. Only when determinant of A is not equal to 0, A inverse exists. So this is the formula. Then A and A inverse, if you combine, you will land up with the identity matrix. If you reverse this, A inverse and A if you multiply, you will get the same answer. So third property, adjoint is the first one, second one A inverse formula, third one A into A inverse, if you multiply you will get identity. Fourth, if you multiply the matrix A with identity matrix, you will get the same matrix A. A into identity is same A. O2 means 0 matrix with order 2. 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. If you multiply with A, we know 0 into any number will give us 0. 0 matrix into any matrix will give us 0 matrix. Okay, so all this we'll be using in the sum, so you must know that. Now we'll go for the exercise 1.1, fourth problem. If capital A equal to 5, 3 minus 1, 2, show that A square minus 3A minus 7I2 equal to 0, 2, 0 matrix, and hence find A inverse. Very important 3 mark sum, because only it involves 3 lines. So it's similar sum. They have given one more example also. You go through that. Let us take some problem A equal to 5, 3 minus 1, 2. What we have to find out? A square. You know how to find out A square. A into A. Matrix multiplication, row by column. 5 into 5, 25. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 5 into 3, 15. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. A square is 22. It is 9. It is minus 3. It is 1. A square we have found out. Minus 3. A I have to multiply by minus 3. A multiplied by minus 3 means all the element has to be multiplied by minus 3. Minus 15, minus 9, plus 3 and plus 6. Minus 7 I2. Minus 7. I2 means identity matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns. 1, 0, 0, 1. So minus 7, 0, 0, minus 7. So I have found out minus 7 I2, minus 3A and A square. I have to add all the 3. Don't subtract one more time because already I have multiplied with minus 3. So you have to only add. Matrix addition is add all the element. First element together. 22 minus 15 minus 7. So answer is 0. First element is 22. These two are 22. 22 minus 22, 0. So first element is 0. Second, 9 minus 9, 0. One more 0, it is 0. So second element is also 0. And next, minus 3 plus 3 and 0. Answer is 0. So this also 0. 1 plus 6, 7. Minus 7. 7 minus 7, 0. All the elements are 0. So it is called 0 matrix. It is 0, 2. So we have proved the first result. Okay. Now we have to find out A inverse using this result. Don't find A inverse separately. We have to find out A inverse using this result. How will you find out A inverse? Let us see. So I will write the equation. A square minus 3A minus 7I2 equal to O2. Now I want A inverse. So what I am going to do, I am going to post multiply by. Post, end. Okay, post multiply by A inverse. A square means AA. Post multiply by A inverse. So A inverse. Minus 3A into A inverse. Minus 7I2 into A inverse equal to 0 matrix into A inverse. I know this is 0 matrix. Identity, if you multiply by any matrix, you will get the same matrix. So A inverse. A into its inverse is identity. A into its inverse is identity. This is identity. So I will get AI. This is identity. A into I is A. Minus 3I. This is I. Okay. I want A inverse. It is negative, so I am taking that side. So it is addition. 7A inverse. A minus 3I. This 7 if I divide, I will get A inverse. So 1 by 7, A minus 3I. 1 by 7, A is this matrix, minus 3 into identity. So 3, 0, 0, 3. I have to subtract these two. So 1 by 7, 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. Minus 1, subtraction 0 is minus 1. Minus 2, subtraction minus 3 is minus 5. So this is A inverse. Very, very simple. Now you can even check the answer. What is A inverse formula? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A. What is determinant of A? Which is A now? This is A. Determinant means first diagonal you multiply, minus 10, subtraction. Second diagonal you multiply, so it will become plus 3. Adjoint. Adjoint means interchange the first diagonal, minus 2 and 5. Change only the sign of the second diagonal, minus 3 and 1. My answer is, this is minus 7, but I have 7. So minus I will take it inside, minus 7. I am writing 7, I take the minus inside. Minus will, this will become 2, this will become 3, this will become minus 1 and this will become minus 5. So easily I can check my answer whether it is correct or not. Question number 6. If capital A equal to 8 minus 4 minus 5 and 3, verify this result. A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A equal to determinant of A into I. Very important property. They can even give 3 by 3 matrix and ask you to check this result for 5 marks. So you must know the rule. Capital A is given. I have to find the adjoint in the question. Adjoint, write the formula. So I have written the formula. I know the short method to find the adjoint. What is the short method? Interchange the first diagonal, change only the sign of the second diagonal. So 8 and 3 I interchange, it will become 3 and 8. For second diagonal, I will change only the sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So minus 4 will become plus 4, minus 5 will become plus 5. Adjoint is ready. I want to find the determinant. How will you find out the determinant for 2 by 2? First diagonal product, 8 3s are 24. Subtraction, second diagonal product, minus 5 into minus 4, 20, plus 20. So 24 subtraction 20, answer is 4. Now I have to multiply A into adjoint of A into adjoint of A into adjoint. This is matrix A, this is adjoint. I am going to multiply. Very, very simple. First row, first column. 8 into 3, 24, minus 4 into 5, minus 20. 8 into 4, 32, minus 4 into 8, minus 32. Minus 5 into 3, minus 15, 3 into 5, plus 15. Second row, second column, minus 5 into 4, minus 20, 3 into 8, 24. So this answer is 4, this answer is 0, this answer is 0, and this answer is 4. So A into adjoint of A equal to determinant of A into I. Similarly, you find out adjoint of A into A, you will get the same answer. So you find that also. So this is nothing but determinant of A into I. What is determinant of A? They have found out as 4. What is identity matrix? Identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. If you multiply by 4, it will become 4, 0, 0, 4. So same answer for all the 3. So you find one, reminding you to just in 1 or 2 lines you write the answer. You can check all the 3 are equal. So very, very important sum. If it is 2 by 2, they will ask for 3 marks. If it is 3 by 3, they will ask for 5 marks. Next question. Capital A equal to 3275, B equal to minus 1, minus 3, 5 and 2. Verify AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. First we'll take the right hand side. I will prove the right hand side, then I will find the left hand side. Right hand side. B inverse I have to multiply by A inverse. What is the formula for B inverse? 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. What is the formula for A inverse? 1 by determinant of A adjoint of A. Here determinant of B must not be equal to 0. Determinant of A must not be equal to 0. If they are equal, we will not have inverse. Okay. B inverse 1 by. What is B? Determinant of B means first diagonal multiply minus 2. Subtraction minus 15. So it will become plus 15. Adjoint, interchange the first diagonal. So 2 will go there, minus 1 will come here. Change the sign of the second diagonal, 3 minus 5. B inverse is over. A inverse, determinant, 15, subtraction 14. Adjoint, interchange the first diagonal, change only the sign of the second diagonal. See, minus 2, minus 7. So I have found out B inverse, I have found out A inverse, 15 minus 14, 1, so I did not write it. I have to multiply B inverse and A inverse. B inverse I have written, A inverse I have written, 1 by 13, let it be as it is. Row by column, 10 minus 21, minus 4 plus 9, minus 25 plus 7, plus 10 and minus 3. Remaining answer is this. So B inverse A inverse is 1 by 13. This answer I have found out the right hand side. Now I will find the left hand side. First you must know to read the problem carefully. AB whole inverse. So AB whole inverse. I must find the inverse of AB. But I don't have AB here. I have A and B, but I don't have A into B. So first I will find A into B. A into B. How will you find out A into B? Multiply the matrix. First row, first column, second column. See, minus 3 plus 10. This is minus 9 plus 4. This is minus 7 plus 25. This is minus 21 plus 10. So answer is 7 minus 5. This is 18 and this is 11 minus 11. 21 minus 21 plus 10 means minus 11. Okay, A into B I have found out. Now I have to find out determinant and adjoint. So I'll find the determinant. Determinant of AB is first diagonal product, subtraction, second diagonal product. Answer is 790 minus 70 is 20. 20 minus 7 is 13. Okay. AB whole inverse what? 1 by determinant of A. AB whole inverse equal to 1 by determinant of AB adjoint of AB. Okay, determinant is 13. Adjoint, interchange the first diagonal, change only the second sign of the second diagonal. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Very, very simple. Easily you can prove. Go through that. Question number 11. Capital A equal to 2 by 2 matrix 1 tan x minus tan x 1. Show that A transpose into A inverse equal to this answer. What is the answer? Cos 2x minus sin 2x. Sin 2x, cos 2x. 11th standard you have learnt the formula for cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta in terms of tan. Do you remember the formula? Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. What is sin 2 theta in terms of tan? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So know the formula and then easily you can finish it. What are the things I need? I want A transpose. Interchange the rows and column. 1 minus tan x will become the first row. Tan x 1 will become the second row. Okay. A inverse. 1 by determinant of A adjoint of A. What is one determinant of A? First diagonal subtraction second diagonal. 1 into 1 1 minus tan square x. So it will become plus tan square x. Adjoint. Interchange the first diagonal 1 and 1. Change only the sign of the second diagonal minus tan x and plus tan x. Okay. Now I have to multiply A transpose and A inverse. A transpose and A inverse. A transpose I have written. A inverse I have written. This is a constant. You write it in the front. Multiply this matrix with this matrix. First row, first column. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus tan x into tan x is minus tan square x. 1 into minus tan x is minus tan x. Minus tan x into 1 is minus tan x. Tan x into 1 is tan x. 1 into tan x is tan x. Minus tan square x and 1. 1 by 1 plus tan square. This is 1 minus tan square. Same term minus, so minus 2 tan x. Same term plus, so 2 tan x. 1 I'll write positive first. 1 minus tan square x. I will take the denominator to all the term. I will take this number to all the term. What it will become? 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Minus 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square. 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square means by the formula it will become cos 2x. First term is over. Minus 2x by 1 plus tan square is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square means sin 2 theta. But I have minus sign. So minus sin 2x. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square is sin 2x. 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square is cos 2x. So we have proved the result. So we have proved the result. So hence this is equal to cos 2x minus sin 2x and cos 2x. Okay. 12th problem. Find the matrix A for which matrix A multiplied with this equal to this one. So you see, we have one rule. A into B equal to C. Very important. They may even ask you for one more question. I want A. I don't want B. Just I cannot cancel B. I cannot divide by B because matrix cannot be divided. So what I have to do is to remove the B, I have to multiply by B inverse both the side. So B into B inverse will become identity. So A into identity is A. A into identity become A equal to CB inverse. That is the thing I have to prove. See, A, this is B, I multiplied by B inverse. If I multiply here, here also I have to multiply. So this will be simple than writing this. So how we have to write? A, B, B inverse equal to C, B inverse. These two becomes identity. A into identity is A. So what is A? C into B inverse. B inverse. I have taken this as B and I have taken this as C. C, this inverse. What is the inverse formula? What is B inverse means? 1 by determinant of B adjoint of B. What is the determinant of this? Minus 10 plus 3. What is the adjoint? Interchange the first diagonal. Minus 2 will go up and 5 will come down. Sign change of the second diagonal. Minus 3 and plus 1. So this is minus 7. Okay, 14, 7, 7. Okay. See, all the numbers are multiple of 7. So I will divide by 7. Minus, I will take it here. I can do whatever. I can even divide by minus 7 also. I will first term, if it is positive, it will be easy for me. So what I am going to do, I am going to divide this by 7. This minus I am going to take to this matrix. 7 if you divide, 2, 1, 1, 1. Minus if you take it here, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 5. Now it is very simple. Matrix multiplication, first row by first column, you will get the answer. Like this they will ask even in competitive exams, how to find out in between one value. So go through that properly. Next one. Capital A is given, capital B is given, C is given. Find the matrix capital X. I want to see A, X, B. X is a matrix, not multiplication symbol. Matrix. A, X, B equal to C. I must find out A. I will remove 1 by 1. I will remove B first. So I have to post multiply by B inverse. Both the sides. This will become identity. A, now I want X into identity means X. So AX equal to CB inverse. Now I don't want A, I want only X. So I want A inverse near X. But now this side, right hand side of A, I have capital X. Left hand side is free. So I'm going to pre-multiply by A inverse both the side. A inverse, pre-multiplied. If you change the position, the sum is wrong. A inverse into A is identity, X, A inverse, C and B. Identity matrix, I multiplied with any matrix, the same matrix. A inverse formula 1 by determinant adjoint, C. B inverse formula 1 by determinant adjoint. A inverse, what is the determinant of A? 0 plus 2. What is adjoint of A? Interchange. Sign change. Okay, C as it is. B inverse, B determinant, 3 plus 2, 5. Interchange the first diagonal, 3 and 1 if you interchange, 1 and 3. Second diagonal sign change, plus 2 and minus 1. Here 1, 2, here 1, 5, so 10, you write it here. Now we'll multiply. First I will multiply these two. First row by first column, 0, 2. First row with the second column, 0 and 2. Second row with the first column, minus 2 plus 2, so 0. Second row with the second column, minus 2 plus 2, 0. Now, this I have already brought. These two I have multiplied and written. Now I have to multiply by 1, 2, minus 1, 3. First row, first column, 2, minus 2. First row, second column, 4 plus 6, 10. Second row, obviously it will become 0. So what is the element I got now? 0, 10, 0, 0. What is the outside scalar I have? 1 by 10. What is the meaning? All the element has to be divided by 10. So answer is 0 by 10, 0. 10 by 10 it is 1. 0 by 10 is 0. 0 by 10 is 0. So this is capital X. They can give any numbers. Don't mug up any answers. You must know only the rule. Only these 3 lines you must know. Other things are very, very simple. The next one. Adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. So we have seen 2 by 2 matrix and problems related with the 2 by 2 matrix. Now we are going to see 3 by 3 matrix adjoint. So 3 rows and 3 column. We have to find out the adjoint. What is the adjoint formula? Cofactor transpose. What is cofactor? Signed minor. Minus 1 power I plus j mij. Okay. Now take an example. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. General form. A31, A32, A33. So for first element, to find cofactor, I am going to write the cofactor inside. Cofactor means, see, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is a even number. Even, odd. Even number means it is plus. So plus, it's minor. What is the minor? Leave the row, leave the column. A22, A23, A32, A33 determinant. There we got only one element. So I have picked out that element as minor in 2 by 2. But here, if you leave the row and leave the column, I got 4 elements. So this is called minor. I must find the determinant of this. So determinant of this. Second element, 1 plus 2, 3, odd number. Odd number means it is minus. Leave the row, leave the column. It is A21, A22, A31, A33. Okay. A31, A33. See, A21, A23, A31, A33. 1, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Even number. So plus sign. Leave the row, leave the column. So my answer is, what is the answer now? A21, A22, A31, A32. So similarly, we can fill out the answer. Since I have written small bracket, I am not able to write all the values. I think I have already written in some paper. Okay, we'll see. If you do the problem, then you will understand. Okay. Okay. Let us see an example now. This is, they have given A minus 814. I'm going to find the adjoint. So what I'm going to do for the first one, leave the row, leave the column, 4, 7, minus 8, 4. For the second element, it is minus sign. Leave the row, leave the column, 4, 7, 1, 4. For third element, it is plus sign. Third element, 1, 3, plus. Okay, so leave the row, leave the column. Answer is 4, 4, 1 minus 8. Similarly, you can fill all the other terms. You will find the determinant, you find the transpose, you will get the adjoint of E. Okay, you know 16 minus 56. So it will become plus 56. 16 minus 7 minus 32 minus 4. Simple. You find the answer, find the transpose. That will give the adjoint. Okay. Now, for everything we have a short method in maths. Easily you can do it. See, short method to find out adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. So you have one method is this. This is the correct method. This is as per the definition. Cofactor transpose. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. All these are minus. Okay. But we have a short method. You will get the same answer. Very, very simple. They will not reduce the marks. So don't forget. You write the adjoint formula. I want to find the adjoint of this. What is the middle number? 3 by 3 means a middle number is 4. Write the number in line. 4, 7, 4, 4. Check. 4, 7, 4, 4. Second row, I have written all the numbers starting from the middle number. Third row. Minus 8, 4, 1, minus 8. Okay. Second row, third row. Now go to the first row. 1, 4, minus 8, 1. 1, 4, minus 8, 1. Again finish it with the second row. 4, 7, 4, 4. Okay. So now I am going to find the cofactor first. Very simple. Easily you can do. Cofactor is same answer. It will not change the answer. 16. This is minus 56. So it will become plus 56. 16 subtraction minus 56. So it will become plus 56. 7 subtraction 16. Minus 32 minus 4. Minus 32 subtraction 4. Minus 32 subtraction 4. 1 minus 64. 7 minus 16. 16 plus 56 minus 32 minus 4. So I know all the answers. I have found out the cofactors. Adjoint is cofactors transpose. So cofactor transpose is 32 minus 36 minus 9 minus 9 minus 36 minus 72 minus 36 minus 63 minus. See, same answer. 32 minus 36 minus 9 minus 9 minus 36 72 minus 36 minus 63 minus 36. So very simple. You can do it fast without making many mistakes. Try. We have only 1 mark for finding this adjoint. So you cannot waste the time more in finding in so long method. This is not wrong. This is correct. But it is your convenience, which you find easy. If you find this easy, that's okay. If you find this easy, that's okay. Okay. Now, only one sum is homework. Exercise 1.1, 14th problem. Note, A inverse formula, you know, 1 by determinant into adjoint. And identity I3, I stands for I3. Because the sum given is 3 by 3 matrix. So, don't take I2. Don't take this. Because here, capital A is 3 by 3. So, you have to take, it is understood I, they will give only I. But you have to choose it is I3 or I2. If it is 3 by 3, you have to choose I2. If it is 2 by 2, you have to choose I2. 3 by 3, you have to choose I3. So do carefully. Send this sum as homework. Okay, after this video, we'll discuss. Thank you, boys.